property viewers, welcome to another property tour. Today we're at Addison Park, Brownstown, St. Anne, and I'll be sharing with you one of my lovely listings. Now right here today we are standing in front of a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house that is on the market for sale. The asking price is 33 million Jamaican dollars. Guys, if you're interested in this property, give me a call. My contact information will be at the end of this video and it will be in the description box as well. Now, before we get into this tour, remember to use the link in our description box to sign up with Epidemic Sounds if you need access to royalty-free music. Also, remember to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now let's take a look at this lovely property. Property viewers, we're in an intimate community right now. You can see the gates right there. Some lovely houses are inside this space, and today we'll be focusing on this one here. So as I shared earlier, we have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and here we are at the front gate. So we have our pedestrian gate and we also have our vehicular access. So come on inside with me and let's take a look. All right guys, so as you can see right here, you have ample parking space here, but you also have additional parking because right here is your garage. Now let's save that until later and just take a look at the front yard. So we have a garden area to my left and we also have a garden area to my right. And property viewers, you can walk around the entire perimeter of this property, which is a plus. We're going to go to my right. Take a look. We have some really lovely orchids here. We also have some roses and some beautiful flowers that I don't know the name of. If you know them, you can leave the names in the comments. Along this way, we have our vegetable garden. We have some callaloo there. I know that some corns were here as well. One is still standing, but they were recently reaped. And some tomatoes going all the way up. So we are at the side of the home right now. And there are some things that I'm going to share with you a little later. But for now, let's head inside. Property viewers, so one thing I absolutely love about this property is the fact that it is screened and grilled. So right here we have our screen door, and all of these arches that you're looking at here, they're all screened. So we don't have to worry about the lizards or the mosquitoes or the flies, and that is a big deal for me. So right here we have this lovely sitting area. It's our terrace. We have a lovely view of the front yard, the extended community, lovely. And we have so many pieces outside here, yet still we have ample space to walk. Now this home is currently occupied. Sweet lady lives here and she loves her pieces. But property viewers, if you are interested in this property, just imagine your pieces here. Just imagine this space and add your own flavor to it. So come on inside here with me. Just off the terrace is our first living area. This is the formal living area. We have 2 windows and a lot of space to utilize inside here. Now just off the living area is another, but before we go there, just take a look at the ceiling. We have high ceilings with the shiplap finish, the exposed wood, beautiful details, well-maintained home. Come on here with me now and let's step into this passage. And here is the second living space. So this can be another sitting area, children play area, whatever you choose. And once more, it is just off the terrace, so you can easily access this space. You can also enjoy the airflow that is coming from the outdoors. Once more, lovely space, floor tiles throughout the entire area. And what I also love is that it is just off the kitchen. So we have double doors here. And property viewers, just come inside this kitchen with me. Look at all of this space. This is a well-maintained kitchen, beautiful cabinetry, upper and lower storage, ample storage space. You have so much space to tuck away your items. You can see that we have the space for your stove. We have double sinks beneath the window here. And this space flows into the dining area that is just off the kitchen. Absolutely magnificent. Also, just off the kitchen is the in-unit laundry. So property viewers, you can rest assured that right here you have your laundry area, so you don't have to worry about going outside to get your laundry done. What I want to show you also is the outdoor. So let's go. All right, property viewers. So we have all of this space, perfect for gardening. Just take a look at that. We have some trees. I see avocado trees, some gungo trees as well, bananas and plantain trees. Separate and apart from that, I'm seeing some canes over there. Love this space. It's perfect for your gardening. In addition to the gardening area that we were looking at earlier. Now outside here, we have backup water supply. We have our water filtration system. And we also have our generator that is tucked away in that storage area right there. Come here with me. So this is the filtration system that I was telling you about. And right here, we have the pump as well as your cylinders. So everything has its home. Everything has somewhere to be tucked away. So let's head back inside and take a look at the sleeping areas. And come inside and please close the screen door, property viewers, because we don't want any bugs inside. All right, guys, so now we're going to look at the first bedroom. So we have 3 bedrooms on this level. So along this passage, we'll find 2 of those bedrooms. So here's the first bedroom, large bedroom. It comfortably fits a king-size bedroom set. And I love the fact that we have our built-in closet. Large window over here, high ceilings with the exposed beams as well as the shiplap finish. Beautifully stained. Love the details. And the next bedroom just beside it resembles this one. Here is the shared bathroom. Wall tiles, there's a tub, the vanity, and a toilet. Now let's go and take a look at the primary bedroom. So here is the primary bedroom, which is a large bedroom. You can see that it is currently fitted with 2 beds. We have a king bed and a queen size bed. We still have a lot of space, multiple pieces inside there, a dresser, a closet. We have our built-in closet here with a lot of storage space, and we still have a lot of space to use. And just off the bedroom is the ensuite bathroom. So inside this bathroom, we have our vanity. Love the face basin. And we also have our shower. We can take a look at the wall tiles, beautifully done, clean. And you can see that the space in the shower is currently customized for an elderly person. So property viewers, that is something that you can choose to keep, or it's something you can do away with. But this is a lovely bathroom, and you can see that this home is well maintained. Now we're going downstairs. We're going to look at the garage, the 4th bedroom, and the 3rd bath. But take a look at this, guys. Just off this bedroom, we have access to the terrace once more. So you can just wake up and head on out, have a seat and drink your morning coffee. Let's head downstairs. All right, guys, so let me show you something now. So remember, we're in the living area. The living area is to the secondary living area is to my left, and the primary is to my right. Now right here is the staircase that will take you downstairs. You can close off this space, or you can leave it open. Now if you close off this space, you can convert downstairs to an income earning opportunity. You can leave it open if it's a relative. You have multiple options. So right here is a full bathroom, and here is the garage. And just off the garage, we have our 1st bedroom. Currently, this space is being used as storage, so we won't even look in there today, but know that the 4th bedroom is right here. So as I was saying earlier, this space is perfect for an income earning opportunity. Now right here, we can open all of this up and have access to the outdoors, or you can open the pedestrian gate right here as well, and you just walk right in. I love this. So property viewers, if you're interested in this property, feel free to give me a call. My contact information will be displayed at the end of this video, and it will also be in the description box. Thank you so much for joining us today. We will see you in the next property tour.